You are an AIA advisor, so you've surely heard about Medix. And it seems like a pretty good idea, but it also feels a bit complicated. How do I even start? Well, it's actually really easy. Because we know exactly how busy you are, we made it as simple as possible. So that making a difference in your client's life is as easy as 1, 2, 3. When you learn one of your clients is dealing with a medical condition and you want to help them out, all you need to do is 1. Make sure they're eligible for the Medix service according to the terms of their coverage. 2. Check to see if their medical condition is included in the list of conditions managed by Medix. And if you're not sure, just call our dedicated line and one of our representatives will be happy to assist. Call Medix with the client's details or simply send an email. That's it. We will contact your client and take it from there. Should you wish to be involved and get updates on the progression of the service, just let us know. We're happy to do that. Once we receive your client's details, we will contact them promptly, explain about the service, and answer any questions they may have. If they're interested in taking up the service, we will send them a consent form and a waiver to sign, and once we get those signed back, we can initiate the service. What's next? First, we'll ask them to send us all their relevant medical information, test results, imaging, consultation reports, etc. Then, we'll assign them a dedicated medical team, a nurse and a case manager doctor who will support them throughout their medical journey. They will then contact the patient to conduct the first medical intake. We will review the medical information, suggest additional tests if necessary, and make sure all the existing tests were properly performed. Once we have all the information we need, we will consult on the patient's behalf with relevant leading specialists from our quality accredited network of over 4,000 professionals spread around the world. Based on their opinions, we will suggest the most suitable treatment option, advise on the best possible doctors and medical institutions to perform the treatment, and monitor the quality and efficiency of the treatment. We will support and guide your clients for as long as they need us, and for a minimum period of 3 months. They'll be able to contact their dedicated medical case team 24/7 with any question, doubt, or decision. So, with something as easy as 1, 2, 3, you can offer your clients a service that they will never forget. Together, we can make a real difference in their lives. Make sure they know all about their Medix service and let them know you care.